Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for January the 13th through to the 15th, 2014. That's this Monday through until Wednesday. Whilst the weather's been better over the past few days, we can see from the air how there's been quite a bit of flooding going on, particularly towards the south and southwest of England over the past few days, as illustrated by these images kindly sent in to us. But for the next 3 days, we're going to see more bands of rain on the way, snow in parts of the Scottish Highlands as well, and maybe sleet and mixes of rain and snow in other parts of Scotland and perhaps Northern Ireland as well over the next few days. But rain is the predominant factor over the next few days. Monday, first of all, looking at the northern part of the British Isles, heavy rain to be had towards the very northern tip of Scotland, the outer islands there. High temperatures, not very high at all. 5 degrees will be the maximum here. Inland it'll be even colder than that, with rain turning to sleet and snow inland. Mainly towards the end of the day we'll be seeing the rain coming in, and that's the same for England as well. Rain will be starting from the southwest, sun will be in front of that, but rain will be moving in towards the northeast, and most parts of England will be seeing at least some showers of rain at some point throughout the day. 5 to 9 degrees Celsius is the high for Monday. So Monday night from Scotland, the rain should have receded from most if not all areas, but it will be a cold night, especially along the eastern coasts where temperatures may dip below freezing, -1 perhaps -2 in some inland locations. On the eastern side to the west, 3 degrees will probably be the low temperature, with temperatures around freezing in Northern Ireland as well. Similarly for the rest of us, it will be a similar story. The western coast of Ireland perhaps will be seeing some rain and possibly some milder temperatures. The very eastern part of England as well will be seeing some rain moving towards the east away from land eventually, but low temperatures across the country there around freezing. So looking at Tuesday, the day begins bright, especially towards the east, but rain moves in once more, another band of it, from the southwest into Northern Ireland and into Scotland. By the end of the day we'll be seeing some persistent rainfall occurring in these areas. High temperatures only 4 or 5 degrees, possibly not even getting above 2 degrees in parts of the east. Further south it's a similar situation, but a little bit more delayed. Partly cloudy skies dominating throughout most of the day for England and perhaps some of Wales as well, with rain moving in towards the end of the day. High temperatures will be up to 8 degrees, wetter in Ireland with a high of 11. Looking at Tuesday night, more rain piling in from the west or southwest into the western part of Scotland. We'll be seeing lots of heavy rain occurring here overnight, spreading towards the east by the end of the night too. We could see some gusty winds along the west coast as well, up to 30 or 40 miles per hour overnight by the looks of things. Low temperatures rather of 5 degrees along the east coast. Similar story down south as well, rain for pretty much everyone overnight, and of course that won't help matters where we've obviously got some saturated ground where we could possibly see some more flash flooding. Low temperatures overnight down to 6 degrees in the north, 9 degrees, no lower than that in the southwest. So now looking at Wednesday, that latest band of rain will be fizzling out gradually throughout the day over Scotland, with sunnier intervals becoming more common, especially in the eastern part of Scotland, but that may change once more towards the end of the day, where we might see some more rain showers coming in from the southeast. High temperatures of 8 degrees. Further south it's going to be another washout by the looks of things. Southern and western parts of England and Wales will be seeing the worst of it, possibly with some thundery showers towards the southwestern part of the country and the southern coast as well. High temperatures 10 degrees under the rain clouds. Further north it's a little bit cooler, with some sunny intervals appearing throughout the day there. Looking at Wednesday night, calm is relatively restored once more, but we'll be seeing some outbreaks of drizzle, perhaps a little bit of rain here and there. A bit more persistent perhaps in Northern Ireland. Low temperatures generally, especially on the northwestern part of Scotland, where temperatures could fall to 2 degrees. In the east, a little bit higher. Further south, generally a partly cloudy night with rain here and there, especially on the south coast. We'll probably see the worst of the weather, and in northwestern parts of England, the far northwest, and over on the Isle of Man as well. We'll be seeing some persistent rain showers overnight there. Partly cloudy with a bit of rain as well for Ireland. Low temperatures 5 degrees in the north, perhaps not lower than 8 in the south. Looking long term, perhaps we do have some light at the end of the tunnel for the time being. Over the next week or two we could be seeing some better weather occurring in the south, perhaps even a little bit further north as well. But more on that over the next few days. We'll keep you posted. We'll be back with another weather forecast probably in around 3 or 4 days time. That's all for now.